Hey guys and gals, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM radio out of a 1957 Chevy Belair. It is now an AM/FM radio with a huge amount of output power and ability to power up to 4 speakers. And this is this comes from Ed in Yorktown, Virginia. Thank you, Ed, for your business from clear across the country. Ed's request is just the basic conversion to add FM and a lot of output power. So let's go ahead and turn it on and check her out. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area, so we can test the balance and fader functions during talk radio. So let's turn it on.
It's not as good as it was back when Kobe was in. It's not as good as it was back when Magic Johnson and Jordan and Bird was in. I'm sorry. That's just my opinion. Isaiah Thomas. Well, LeBron James is the greatest player ever. Would he be the greatest player ever if they were allowed to body check that fool while he was going to the hole like they were back in the day? I don't think so. I think he's amazing as a player, but that's just my take. Anyway, all right, let's get back to these commutations. When we
there we go.
Of those Carl
all the way front,
we're doing
all the way rear, front, rear. Okay, I'm gonna try to center him.
I don't need to tell you how important
fader set
for your body, your
left,
mind,
right balance,
your outlook on life. But like most people, sometimes
balance adjust.
Okay,
you wake up during the night. So I'd like to tell you about Z Factor, a 100% drug-free supplement that helps you fall asleep faster, sleep longer.
Balance
it. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, which we do by turning the radio off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 of the station presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
25 and 1041.
Showcases endless possibilities. Resources and an
that one drifted a bit. Let's reset it. Oh, now I'm falling off. Okay, I was apparently trying to set it to a
Delicious Diner.
Okay.
For 80 to 90% less and do it all online? No doctor's office or pharmacy? Yes, Zelty can help provide. Send them a text.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, the tuner's got some wear. The station presets might drift a bit until it gets broken in again. So we're good to go here. Everything's working. And let's test the dial light. Make sure that comes on. You can see that's pretty obvious. Alrighty, so we're good to go here. She's ready to go back. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. Please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is for. It has all my options and prices, including options for turnaround time, and it's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone. You're welcome to call me after you've got the work order already printed. I just don't want to answer the same questions over and over and over and over from each new customer, which is a waste of time, and it keeps me off the bench where the work actually gets done. So I got to be on the bench, guys. So please do that research before calling me. After that, I'm happy to talk to you. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Ed, for your business from all the way across the country from Yorktown, Virginia, and we'll see you next time.